You and I want to be the first to the new frontier. We want to be the first to discover the latest lands that are available out there. We want to be the first to strike gold. We want to be the first mover to market and be the first to strike riches in meme coins. And the newest and latest and greatest frontier that's catching a lot of hype and taking the meme world over by storm is the blockchain base. It's rather a layer 2 on top of Ethereum, making the transactions much faster, the swaps much easier to navigate and a lot cheaper, and the meme coins are ripe for picking. And so if you're watching this video, you already knew all this, so you want to know how to start playing in this ecosystem. And here I am to hold your baby hand through this whole Wild West cryptocurrency world. My name is Aaron. Welcome to my channel. Hit the like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. But really, I just need to tell you, this is not a real hat, okay? I'm scared of horses, I'm allergic to the outdoors, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just your weird crypto friend that if you don't have anyone else to talk to in the world about cryptocurrency and trying to make some wealth out of cryptocurrency, out of this whole gambling slot machine that we're in, well, I'm your boy, dude. I'm your guy. So join us for the live streams or check out this video and let's get right into this. I just want to show you the possibility. Look, it's all the hype. If you can look on the right-hand side of my screen, all the hype is around Solana, right? It's all Solana. So there's BNB, Solana, Solana, Solana. This is where all the hype is currently. But if you didn't know, here comes Base, right? Here's a Coinbase. We got Kanye West with a, 24 hours of volume, 60% up. Here's another coin, Blurf. I don't know what Blurf is. I mean, is it that much better than any other meme coin on Solana? $2 million in volume, 43% up. And so you knew this. This is why we're here. You're a degenerate, just like me. We don't want to talk about how we made millions off of Blurf coin or Kanye West. We don't want to say like we're financial advisors giving advice, sound financial advice to invest in Kanye West. But we know this is where we want to be. We know what we're doing. We know we're participating in some degenerate activities, and you and me we're okay with this. So let's get into it. Coinbase is a layer 2 on top of Ethereum. It makes it just cheaper. It's a lot faster than Ethereum. I don't personally buy meme coins on Ethereum anymore when the prices are like $100 a swap. It's so silly. So here's how we do it. Let's just get into it. First, you want to go to this bridge.base.org. I'll have the link in the description or in the comment section below, so make it easy for you. And don't get fooled. I'm not sure if there's any scams out there for that. I'm not a scammer. Show my face, fully doxxed. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to link your wallet to this thing. It's very safe. I've done it already. Okay. And if you haven't already, some wallets do this automatically. Some don't. So I'm going to also link another link downstairs down there below. And it's how to add your wallet to the Coinbase chain, okay? You could have just a Coinbase wallet, okay? You could just download that from any Apple store or whatever. It's free. You could do that right away. Just type in Coinbase Wallet. You could type in the extension online, no big deal. But if you have a MetaMask like I do, you might have to manually add that network because sometimes it works automatically and sometimes it doesn't. So here's the specs for it. And just go ahead and pull this off to the side or pause the video right here. Matter of fact, I'll put this all in the link downstairs, down in the description below so that you could just easily copy and paste all this. So once you have it automatically updated your wallet on the network, you're going to go back to the bridge and you're going to type in the amount of Ethereum. Must be Ethereum because that's the transactions that it's used. But it doesn't only have to be Ethereum. You should be transferring Ethereum over, but you could also transfer USDC, right? That's that stable coin. I don't know, sushi. Like you could transfer and bridge over any of those assets over, and then you have money. It's pretty quick. It'll take about maybe less than a minute, and it'll probably cost me about $9 with the current gas prices. Once you're done with that, then you could start searching like a degen. Here's what I would recommend. I would recommend you a couple different ways. You could go to dextools.io, and at the top left corner, that's where you could pick any one of these chains. You'd probably be on Ethereum, but you have to go click that and go ahead and go on Base. It's the top left corner right there. Once you're on Base, you've got your choices to pick from. This is what I do on my streams and on my videos. I just go through and see which ones I like and which ones I don't. And this is why you could make so much money in Base if you pick the right one. Like we looked at this coin, Baseman. We looked at this guy. And this is insane because this one did, I don't know if you saw that, 17,000%. Is that even real? In 24 hours. That is insane amount. That is crazy. Okay, I don't know if I'd recommend you doing that right now. This is not that video for that time. This is a different video for a different time. But essentially, there are people making a wealth load of money in these coins, and this is just a place to play. Of course, you could certainly lose a lot. Okay, don't think that this is not a place where you can't lose the money. Of course you can. Baby She. Okay, that's Ethereum. Sorry. So you got to make sure that this is all fixed. Okay, yeah. Baseman to Guy Bowie Red. Okay, so you got to find these coins. Okay, now you could just go look through here. And just seeing which ones are recently added. There's a whole host of them. Another place you could go also is CoinGecko. CoinGecko, all you'd have to do is search for cryptocurrencies and then go to their different chains right here in the middle. And Base currently is number 9 as far as movers. And you can see in the last 30 days, it's gained 100%. So that the whole ecosystem in Base is up 100%, over 100%. And people are making tons of money, like in this coin Degen. I mean, this is amazing. And these are very, very, very low cap coins. So you don't have to have a lot of money to make a lot. You just have to have a lot of courage, a lot of guts. Just like the first pioneers in the uncharted frontier. So you and I are. How much courage and how much guts do you have? How much patience do you have to play in this game? That's the real game, right? Last but not least, you're going to also want to play in Base, and you want to buy some of these coins or take part in these protocols because there are potentials for airdrops. Okay, airdrops, these are not confirmed. These are unconfirmed, but these always, you just never know. Ordinals, that whole chain is still getting airdrops. I just had a friend, I got 2 friends that got airdropped 2 NFTs that were worth, and they sold for $1,200, and now they're up to like $4,000 now. So I would highly recommend you playing around on the Base ecosystem, swap for some tokens, bridge in and out, start bridging different assets into your wallet, into that network, and just wait around. If there are no airdrops, none of these are confirmed, well then that's fine. You still have coins on Base and you're here early. If there are airdrops, then you got free money. So sell that thing, buy into some coins that you have conviction with, and make some life-changing wealth for you and yours. Anyway, that's all I got for you. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you following on my journey. If you guys want to join the live stream, you could click one of these links on the live stream here. I'm on nearly every night because I just see the crypto market heating up, and Base is along for the ride. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.